good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Serving Stallions.
Nice dig by number 13.
And that was overcooked by the Greyhounds. Still serving Fermante. A great serve. Chance to counter for UNC. And the Blue Stallions was scrambling. And an automatic point to the to the Greyhounds.
Blue Stallions ngayon ay 7 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 5. Now serving Luna for Greyhounds.
Taking her time. A great serve. And a free ball given to the Blue Stallions. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. A quick, and it was good. Catches the line.
At isa na lamang ang lamang ng Blue Stallions at this moment. Now serving Binaday for Greyhounds.
A service error committed by the Greyhounds. Point to the Blue Stallions. And we have a technical timeout here on our first set. Magbabalik po kami. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI Frasati Gym at ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions 8 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 6.
And now, serving Miranda. Taking her time.
At gusto nating i-acknowledge ang ating mga Facebook Live viewers na talagang todo suporta sa panunood ngayong game na ito.
And according to Raymart Henales, shout out kay Danica Shaira Fermente. Actually, she is now serving. Earlier,
Makikita natin ngayon, Alton,
regalo for the Blue Stallions.
naghahabulan sila ng puntos at this moment.
Still serving Miranda. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds, and that was good! What a cross scored by the Greyhounds.
At ang bola natin ngayon ay nasa side ng Greyhounds. Now serving Panga. Nice serve.
Chance to counter for Benyas. Soft touch. Greyhounds. A great pick up by the libero. A back row attack. Gagap. Quick. And that was an overcook and point to the Greyhounds.
Dalawa na lamang ang lamang ng Blue Stallions sa Greyhounds ngayon. Now serving Panga for Greyhounds.
A great serve. Floater serve. Oh, that was an error.
Ngayon, Aljon, anong nafe-feel mo sa game na to?
I'm actually very excited kasi both teams already had their first win. So, we're gonna see later kung sino ba talaga ang mas aangat sa laban na to.
At mapapansin natin, napaka-competitive ng Greyhounds dahil may dala pa silang banda. Pero syempre, hindi naman magpapatalo yung Blue Stallions kasi meron din silang mga fans dito sa gym.
That is actually true, Kay, kasi overwhelming supports ang natatanggap ng both teams online and here at the USI Frasati Gym.
At talagang masasabi natin na pampalakas yun ng loob ng ating mga players. Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon.
Serving Lastrolio. I rather Echo. Chance to counter for Greyhounds. And it was good. Echo wasn't able to handle that ball.
At tayo na ngayon, ang Stallions at Greyhounds. Now serving Molina for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Great serve. Floater serve again. And it was point to the Greyhounds outside.
Now serving Molina for Greyhounds.
A great serve again. A great serve by the Greyhounds. We are seeing na talaga namang kargado ang service ng Greyhounds.
Parang gusto ulit nilang manalo this game.
And I'm feeling it. Both teams
Yes.
is actually eager to snatch their second win.
We have a timeout.
Called by the Blue Stallions at magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Gin and Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
We are back live here at USI for Sate Gym. At ang talaan natin ngayon, Aljo, ng Blue Stallions ay 11 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 13.
That's right. For the meantime, a long rally here. And Greyhounds was able to break that blockers by the Blue Stallion.
At rinig na rinig natin ngayon yung banda ng Greyhounds pag sila ay nakakapuntos.
That's true, Kay. Actually, ang ganda ng palong yun, ha?
Now
She was
serving
able
Molina.
to break the blockers. Again, a great service ace. A chance ball for the Greyhounds. Open. A soft touch, and that was good.
Kaya naman ang lamang ng Greyhounds ngayon ay 4. Now serving Molina for Greyhounds.
A great serve again, a floater serve. Nice dig by the libero. And a miscommunication. There wasn't able to pick up that ball.
Kaya napunta ang puntos sa Greyhounds.
And a timeout called again on the CSPC Blue Stallions. Okay. Medyo dinodominate na dito ng Greyhounds ang first set.
Kaya siguro maggagawa ng mga bagong techniques ang Blue Stallions para mahabol nila ang Greyhounds sa puntos.
That's right. Malayo pa ang first set natin na to. Things can happen. Momentum can shift from the both teams. It really depends on them on how they can execute their skills and their momentum to win this first set.
And Aljon, of course, would like to acknowledge the presence of our live audience here at USI Forsate Gym. At syempre ang ating mga Facebook Live viewers. Hello kay Carla May Calleja. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much for your overwhelming supports. And we would like also to thank our very own sponsors, the Naga College Foundation,
3 Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabi Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcox Quinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, De La Mar Psychometric Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
and that was a service error, point to the Blue Stallions. Serving Blue Stallions. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. And that was hitting the antenna, automatic point to the Blue Stallions.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions 13, Greyhounds 16.
Still serving. Chance to counter again, soft touch. Good pick up by the Blue Stallions. Papalo, and that was a score. Breaking down the blockers. Di Mabaya was able to get her point. Serving Lastrolio. A flute serve. A free ball. A free ball again. Quick. A low set.
Nagiging long rally to
Di
Aljon.
Mabayaw. And that was good. Finding that spot.
At isa na lamang ang lamang ng Greyhounds at this moment, 16 against 15.
Still serving Lastrolio. And it was good. Catches the line. We're seeing here the overwhelming supports of the Greyhounds.
Kaya naman mas nagiging competitive ang kanilang mga players. Now serving Martinez for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Chance to counter for Mante. Dug up by the Greyhounds. A soft touch. And that was good. Point to the Greyhounds.
Now serving Martinez for Greyhounds. A great serve.
What an attack! And finding that line. For Benyas, kanina pa to pumupunto si Benyas sa side ng Blue Stallions K.
Parang gusto niya maging best player of the game.
Benyas serving. And that was straight to the net. A service error. They have to minimize the service errors kasi free point siya.
Now serving Moralina for Greyhounds. At ang puntos ay napunta sa Blue Stallions.
And serving Di Mabayaw. Taking her time to serve. A float serve. Again, a service error.
Kaya ang puntos ay napunta sa Greyhounds. Lamang na ngayon ng tatlo ang Greyhounds against Blue Stallions.
That's right in. Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. A quick, and that was good. She was able to get that point, swiping it through the blocker.
Apat na lamang na puntos ay mapupunta na sa Greyhounds ang set na ito. Pero titingnan natin kung papayag ba ang Blue Stallions.
And that was straight to the net. Point to the Blue Stallions.
We would like to thank our Facebook Live viewers. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Shout out kay Joy Lorzano. Thank you for watching.
A back-to-back error committed by the Greyhounds. Blue Stallions is now finding their rhythm. Fermante taking her time to serve. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. Their team captain dug up by the Blue Stallions. And that was again a miscommunication.
Now serving Binaday for Greyhounds.
A great
Nice serve.
serve. A free ball for them. A quick. A low set. Di Mabayaw. A free ball for
Moralina.
them. Ekal.
Long
Adjusting.
rally ulit ito, Aljon.
That's right, Kay.
Titingnan natin kung kanino ba mapupunta ang rally na ito.
Middle. And that was deflected by the blockers. Ang ganda ng palitan doon. But the blockers of Greyhounds is on fire right now.
Kung tatanungin ka, Aljon, ano kaya pwedeng maging adjustments na gagawin ng Blue Stallions para mahabol nila ang Greyhounds?
I would say that they should find their rhythm, create their momentum, kasi may mga palo naman sila. They just have to create a momentum in order for it to bloom.
That's right. At titingnan natin kung gagawin yan ng Blue Stallions.
A great rally we're seeing right now.
Parehas
Chance to
talaga
counter.
competitive.
A middle. And that was a point for the Blue Stallions. A great block.
At umahabol na nga sila. Parang hindi sila papayag na makuha ng Greyhounds ang set na ito.
Serving. Alarcon.
Nice serve.
Chance to counter for the team captain. And that was a great cross-court attack.
Isa na lamang puntos, Aljon, mapupunta na sa Greyhounds ang set na ito.
And they are feeling it, Kay, they are feeling it.
At kitang-kita naman natin sa banda na napaka-supportive for Greyhounds. Now, serving Panga for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Chance to counter. And that was straight to the net. And the Greyhounds was able to snatch the first set, 25 against 20 of the Blue Stallions. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second set. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
Hello everyone, my name is Rick I. Puerta, 21 years old from Naga College Foundation. I really love watching volleyball games. When I was in my high school days, I was a former athlete, a volleyball player, and I think it motivates me to become part of this growing Bucal family. Expect that I will make every game more exciting and more fun. I encourage you all to watch the Bucal Season 4. Sama-sama nating tuklasin kung gaano kagaling ang mga atleta ng Bicol.
Fast break left. It's good.
We are back live here at USI for Sate Gym at Aljon. Yung set 1 nga ay nakuha ng Greyhounds. Ano kaya explanation dyan sa stats?
That's right, Kay. The Greyhounds was able to snatch the first set, 25 over 20 of the Blue Stallions. And looking at their statistic in front of me, the Greyhounds was able to contribute 15 points for spikes, 3 blocks, and 0 service ace. However, to the side naman ng Blue Stallions, they only had 6 spike, 1 block, 1 serve. However, the opponent's errors of the Blue Stallions is quite high with 7. That's why the Greyhounds was able to utilize their skills in order to snatch the second set.
At napakagandang laro talagang binigay nila sa atin ng set 1. At titingnan natin kung ma-maintain ba ng Greyhounds for this set 2. Now serving Panga for Greyhounds.
Chance to counter for Blue Stallions, and that was straight to the net.
Kaya ang unang puntos ay napunta sa Greyhounds for this set. Now serving Panga for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Chance to counter. And it was point to the Greyhounds outside.
Again, now serving Panga for Greyhounds.
And we are now seeing a 4-0 run of the Greyhounds. But for the meantime, tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter from the bench of the Blue Stallions to hear some more updates kung ano bang nangyari sa first set. To hear some more updates, let's hear from our courtside reporter, Eliza. Eliza, ano bang updates natin dyan?
Makapagpigil hininga nga ang mga kaganapan sa set 1 para sa CSPC Blue Stallions. Hindi man nila nakuha ang punto sa set 1, hindi pa rin sila nawawala ng pag-asa. Ayon kay Coach Reynalyn Avila, nagkukulang sa communication and teamwork ang kupunan. Naungusan man sila ng Greyhounds sa set 1, the coach still commended the team's aggressiveness and eagerness. Alamin natin ang mga susunod na kaganapan dito sa GNN Sports TV. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Kay.
Thank you so much, Eliza. There's always a hope kasi second set pa lang to, may isa pa tayong set and they have a chance to get the first set win. Also their aggressiveness and willingness to fight against the Greyhounds.
Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon. Sa ating talaan ngayon, ang Greyhounds ay 5 at ang Blue Stallions ay 3.
Serving Lastrolio. Chance to counter for Greyhounds. And it was outside. Point to the Blue Stallions.
At ngayon, Aljon, gusto naman nating makaalam ng update all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter, Mafel. Hello, Mafel. Anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Aljan and Kay. Nangibabaw ang hiyawan matapos makalamang sa puntos sa 2025 ang Greyhounds. This set the mood of the team na magpatuloy sa pag-score at ayon sa kanilang coach, huwag masyadong maging kampante at mas tibayan pa ang presence of mind. At dahil nga mas nakakuha ng mas mataas na puntos sa unang set, mas naging porsigido ang team na pag-igihan sa mga susunod. Maging pabor pa kaya sa kanila ang susunod na set? Yan ang ating abangan. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Kay.
Thank you so much, Mapel, for that report. At sabi nga nila, dapat wag silang maging kampante at panatilihin ang presence of mind para makuha ulit ang set na ito, Aljon.
That's right. Okay, isa na lang nga ang kalamangan ng Greyhounds. And that was a service error.
Now serving Moralina for Greyhounds. Outside, kaya ang puntos ay napunta sa Blue Stallions.
Palitan tayo ng service error dito kay...
At kailangan nilang yung i-minimize para makuha ang set na ito.
That's true kasi free point ang service errors. Quick Greyhounds. And a point is awarded to the Greyhounds. And a technical timeout for our second set. Magbabalik po kami. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
Cypher Strategy at ang ating talaan ngayon, Aljon. Ang Greyhounds ay 8, ang Blue Stallions naman ay 6. Back to the ball game tayo. Now serving Brienne for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Alarcon. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. Their team captain. And a point is awarded to Blue Stallions. Somebody on the Greyhounds touches the net.
Dalawa na lamang laman ng Greyhounds ngayon sa Blue Stallions.
Serving Fermante.
Nice serve.
Dug up. A free ball for the Greyhounds. Chance to counter. Second chance for Eka.
Long rally ito, Aljon.
That's right, Kay. Walang bitawan to. Ekal again.
Walang magpapatalo sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Pero titingnan natin kung kanino ba mapupunta
Greyhounds.
ang rally na ito.
They are not giving up for this ball.
Pareho competitive.
And that was straight to the net. Point to the Blue Stallions. Tanungin naman kita, Kay. Years of being a woman and seeing woman in front of us playing a volleyball, how does it feel?
Talagang nakaka-proud na titingnan natin na ganito ka-powerful ang mga women kasi hindi natin masasabi na babae lang. Kasi talagang sa sports, umaangat naman talaga, Aljo, ng mga babae. At sa nakikita natin ngayon, parehas magagaling ang kupunan na ito.
That's right. We're very happy because of the inclusivity of the sports.
Nagpapakita ito ng equality for all the genders.
Talaga namang dirinig natin ang overwhelming supports ng both teams.
Sa talaan natin ngayon, Aljo, ng Blue Stallions ang 8. Ang Greyhounds naman ay 10. Now serving Binaday for Greyhounds.
Straight to the net, an error. Point to the Blue Stallions.
Regalo nila yon sa Blue Stallions. Kaya kailangan naman nilang bawasan ang service error para manalo sa set na ito.
Serving on the side of the Blue Stallions, Alarcon. Chance to manufacture a point for Greyhounds. And it was straight to the net. A 4 touches.
Tayo na ngayon ang dalawang kupunan, Aljon, at talagang masasabi na natin na super competitive ang dalawang kupunan na ito. At we would like to acknowledge the viewers of our FB Live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Christine Reyes at Rick Puerta. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Back to the ball game
and for
tayo,
the meantime,
Aljon.
what a hit in the middle by the Greyhounds. A great point.
Now serving Panga for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
A free ball for the Greyhounds. A back set. Dug up. But it was a point for the Greyhounds. Somebody touches the net.
Kaya dalawa na ang lamang ng Greyhounds ngayon na kontra sa Stallions. Now serving Panga for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Ekal. And that was good. Soft touch for Ekal.
Naghahabulan ng puntos ngayon, Aljon. Ayaw talaga nilang magpatalo.
And we would like also to acknowledge our online viewers, to Rocky Siboyo. Rocky Siboyo is actually men's volleyball player of the NCF Tigers.
Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood sa aming FB Live.
For the meantime, we're seeing a long rally, and that was a good point. Miscommunication there on the Greyhounds.
Tayo na naman sila ngayon, Aljon.
Serving, team captain, Ekal. And that was in, catches the line.
Talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions ay 13 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 12.
Still serving, team captain, Ekal. It was outside, a long ball.
Kaya tayo na naman sila ngayon. Now
Palitan lang tayo
serving,
ng puntos dito,
Molina
Kay.
for Greyhounds.
Palitan ng service errors. They have to minimize the service errors. Serving, Lastrolio. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. Overset. And that was a 4 or a 2 touches is awarded to the Blue Stallions. An automatic point for the Greyhounds.
Napapansin natin, Aljon, ngayon, naghahabulan sila ng putos at maya-maya, magiging tie na naman sila.
That's right, Kay. Ganyan kadikit ang laban
Kaya naman
ng
talaga,
dalawang team na ito.
super exciting, Aljon.
Di mabayaw. A free ball for the Greyhounds.
Nagiging long rally ulit, Aljon.
A free ball for the Greyhounds. A great rally that we're seeing right now. Great coverage by Ekal. Di mabayaw. And that was a score! Nagtinginan lang ang UNC sa attack ni Di Mabayaw.
Blue Stallions 15, ang Greyhounds naman ay 14. Talagang naghahabulan lamang sila ng puntos at this moment.
And shout out to our online viewers. May nagpapa-shout out dito kay Escalante Daza. Pa-shout out kay Idol Laika Nyangar.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Now serving Moralina for Greyhounds. What a powerful serve.
Chance to counter for the Blue Stallions. And that was a point. And a timeout was called by the Greyhounds. Magbabalik po kami. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
Back live here at USI Prasati Gym at ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions ay 16 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 15. Ikaw naman, Aljon, kung tatanungin ko kasi ikaw naglalaro ka ng volleyball, anong masasabi mo sa game na ito?
I'm actually very proud that I'm seeing a woman playing a volleyball, a great volleyball. Actually, mahirap ang skills ng volleyball, but seeing this woman's represent their school is actually a big pride for them and for their school as well.
Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon.
And that was straight to the net. An error. An automatic point for the Blue Stallions.
At gusto nating i-shout out si Leorisa Alejo. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood.
Blue Stallions is now ahead by 1. Serving Fermante. An error committed by Fermante. A point goes to Greyhounds.
Tayo na naman ngayon ng Stallions at the Greyhounds. Pareho na sila. 17. Now serving Rico for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
A free ball for Greyhounds. A back row attack. And that was a point. The libero wasn't able to handle that spike.
Naghahabulan ng puntos ngayon, Aljon, at masasabi natin parehas talaga sila competitive at ayaw magpatalo for this game. Kasi syempre naman, kung sasalang ka sa Bucal, ang ini-aim mo talaga ay manalo, di ba, Aljon?
That's right, kasi they are representing themselves, their schools, and their supporters. For the meantime, what an attack by the Greyhounds.
Now serving Rico for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Ekal. Dug up. Ekal again.
Morelina.
A soft touch. And it was successful.
Again, now serving Rico for Greyhounds.
A float serve. Ekal.
Morelina.
Greyhounds chance to counter. A good coverage by the Greyhounds. Ekal is free ball.
Panga.
A great save.
Long rally ito, Aljon.
A quick. And it was good. UNC now is 21-17. They just need a 4-point in order to close this second set.
At 4 na lamang na puntos ay mapupunta ulit sa Greyhounds ang set na ito. We have a timeout called by the Blue Stallions. Once again, this is Bucal Season 4 Women's Volleyball. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
And we are back here live at the USI Rosati Gym and live on GN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Blue Stallions is down by 4.
Kung tatanungin kita, Aljon, ano kayang pwedeng gawin adjustment ng Blue Stallions para makuha nila ang set na ito?
I would say na they need to minimize their errors. And they actually, again, find their rhythm and their momentum in order to get point after a point.
That's right, Aljon. Now serving Rico for Greyhounds.
A poor reception and a point for Greyhounds. They are now on the advantage. They just need 2 points rather to close the second set. Service error. Buhay pa dito ang Blue Stallions.
May pag-asa pa naman sila, Aljon.
Serving Alarcon. A 1-2 play. What a smart move by the Greyhounds. And because of that, they are now on the set point. They're feeling it. They just need a 1 point.
Now serving jersey number 13 for Greyhounds, Panga.
Outside. Point to the Blue Stallions. And now serving the team captain, Ekal. And it was an awful service error. Because of that, UNC was able to snatch the second set, 2-0 by the Blue Stallions. At magbabalik po kami para sa ating third set. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hi, I'm Christine Arias, 21, a third-year AB Communication student of NCF, and I will be one of your commentators for this season of Bucal. I'm not a really sporty type of person, but I do get fascinated watching and listening to commentators. And also, as a communication student, I think it will help me hone my communication skills and, of course, to socialize with other people. Samahan niyo kaming tutukan at subaybayan ang bawat team this Bucal Season 4.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI for Sate Gym. At Aljon, kung nakita natin ngayon, noon, 2 sets ang nakuha ng Greyhounds against the Blue Stallions. At nakikita natin na ang mga babaeng ito talagang nagpapakita na they are so powerful and competitive sa game na ito. And Aljon, ano kayang explanation sa ating statistics?
That was a great game for our second set. And looking at their statistics, the Stallions only had 4 spike over the Greyhounds. They're 3, and this is quite high. 0 blocks for the both teams. 1 service ace for the Stallions and 2 to Greyhounds. Service errors, 14 to the Greyhounds and 10 to the Blue Stallions. So I'm seeing here that the Greyhounds is utilizing their attackers to get point after a point.
Gusto natin ulit pasalamatan ng Aljon, ng mga FB Live viewers natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much, Kyla Casulia, for watching.
Thank you very much. And also to our very own sponsors, thank you very much. Serving, Ekal. This is our third set. Can Greyhounds close this match? Or kaya nga bang makahabol ng Blue Stallions?
Now serving Molina for Greyhounds.
What a great serve! What a powerful serve. A free ball for the Greyhounds. A soft touch, and it was good.
2 puntos agad ang Greyhounds sa set na ito. Pero marami pang tsansa ang Blue Stallions para makahabol.
That's
Now
right.
serving Molina for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Ekal. Great pickup with the Greyhounds. Chance to counter. A great spike. And Di Mabaya wasn't able to handle that ball.
Kung tatanungin kita, Aljon, ano kaya yung mga sekreto o yung mga tips para manalo sa volleyball game?
You know, Kay, aside from the skills of the volleyball, vital role of the team effort is crucial. Kasi volleyball is a team sports and you can actually win with only one player. It's very ironic. So I'm seeing here that the both teams is really connecting with each other to huddle and have their momentum by the help of their teamwork.
That's right, Aljon. Back to the ball game tayo ngayon.
Di Mabayaw. And that was a score by Di Mabayaw. Finding the hole in the blockers.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions ay 2 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 3.
Serving Valenzuela. Greyhounds. And catches the line. Ang ganda ng tirang yon. Akala natin outside na pero pasok.
Kaya
What
naman,
an angle.
2 na ang lamang ng Greyhounds ngayon kontra Blue Stallions. Now serving Martinez for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
A great serve again for the Greyhounds.
Now serving again Martinez for Greyhounds.
Straight to the net. Point to the Blue Stallions. Serving Beñas. Good serve. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. Good pickup by Beñas. Fermante. Greyhounds. And finds the line. What a great cross-court hit. Targeting the line.
Now serving Moralina for Greyhounds.
Alarcon. And that was good. And for the meantime, we would like to ask an update on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Let's hear from our courtside reporter, Eliza. Eliza, ano nga bang nangyari sa Blue Stallions?
Ramdam dito sa kampo ng CSPC Greyhounds ang kaba ng bawat players dahil isang panalo na lang ng Greyhounds ay mauungusan na sila ng mga ito. Bumawi daw at magpo-pressure dahil ayon sa coach nila, anuman ang magiging resulta, ang aral ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Kitang-kita ang magandang samahan at suporta ng CSPC Blue Stallions sa larong ito. Ayon sa kanila, they are not a team, but they are a family. Balik sa inyo, Aljon and Kay.
Thank you very much, Eliza. That's actually very great for the CSPC that they're a family and working as a team and as a one for this match against the Greyhounds. For the meantime, long rally. A great hit by the Greyhounds.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, also, ng Blue Stallions ay 5 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 6.
A free ball for Greyhounds. Chance to counter again. And that was outside.
And Aljon, pasalamatan natin ulit ang ating mga sponsors, Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, the 3rd District Camarines Sur, Lemon Residences, Mangcox Quinalas, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychromatics Center, Nagayan Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services.
And we have a technical timeout for our third set. Magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Gin and Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampeon.
Fast break left. It's good. Fast break left. It's good.
We are back live here at USI Forsate Gym. Ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions ay 6 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 8. At gusto nating makaalam ng updates all the way from the bench of Greyhounds. Let's call our courtside reporter, Mafel. Hello, Mafel. Anong update natin dyan?
And for the meantime, UNC is ahead by the Stallions.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, Aljon, ng Blue Stallions ay 6 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 9.
Serving, Alarcon. Chance to counter for UNC Greyhounds. Ekal. And that was good.
Isa na lamang ang lamang ng Greyhounds ngayon, Aljon. At Aljon, balikan natin ang ating courtside reporter, Mafel. Hello, Mafel. Anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Aljan and Kay. This match is important para sa Greyhounds after they lead the game with 19-25 scores. Head coach Solis continued to motivate the players na pagigihan pa, communicate with each other, mag-focus at sumunod sa game plan ng team. Kung makikita nga natin ay mas umiinit pa ang labanan at lumalakas ang depensa ng kani-kanilang teams, lalo na sa pag-serve at spike. Sino kaya ang magwawagi sa round na ito? Manatiling nakatutok sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon. Again, I am Marifel Fernandez from the bench of UNC Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Kay.
Thank you so much, Mafel, for that report. At narinig nga natin na kailangan talaga ng communication at mag-focus lang sa game para makuha nila ulit ang game na ito.
And for the meantime, ahead ng tatlo ngayon ang Greyhounds, serving on the side of the Blue Stallions, Team Captain Ekal.
Nice serve.
A great spike, touching the blockers of the Blue Stallions.
Now serving Molina for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Free ball for the Greyhounds. And that was good. Finding the spot.
Lamang na ng 4 ngayon ang Greyhounds Aljon kontra Blue Stallions.
The Stallions should find the rhythm and create a momentum kasi may 2 set na ang Greyhounds. If they want to win this match, they have to make a point after point.
Now serving Molina for Greyhounds.
A great serve. De Mabayaw. Chance to counter. Middle. Dug up. A long rally here. And that was a catch ball according to our referee. Point to the Greyhounds.
Again, now serving Molina for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
That was a great serve. A facial there. And a technical timeout for our third set. And we will back only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back live here at USI Persate Gym. Ang talaan natin ngayon, Blue Stallions ay 9 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 16.
A great serve with the Greyhounds. Dimabayaw. Long rally here. A regalo! What a great coverage by Ekal. And that was a point to the Greyhounds.
Wala na yung lamang ng Greyhounds natin ngayon, Aljon, kontra the Blue Stallions.
Blue Stallions should do something about this kasi nasa middle na tayo ng ating third set.
That's right, Aljon.
A chance to counter. And that was good. Point to the Blue Stallions. On the serving line, Lastrolio.
Nice dig by Moralina.
Chance to counter. Dimabayaw. And that was a great block by Benyas.
At parang humahabol na Aljon ang Blue Stallions at this moment.
That's right, Kay. They have to.
At malayo-layo pa naman at pwede pa naman silang makahabol for this set.
That's right, Kay. Chance to counter for Greyhounds. Middle attack. And that was good.
Pito na yung lamang ng Greyhounds ngayon. Now, serving jersey number 15 for Greyhounds.
And that was outside, a point to the Blue Stallions.
Ang talaan natin ngayon, Aljon, ng Blue Stallions ay 12 at ang Greyhounds naman ay 18.
A free ball for the Stallions. A great dig. Chance to counter for the Greyhounds. A good dig. A pipe set and was dug up by the libero of Greyhounds.
Long rally ulit, Aljon.
Great dig again. Back row by Ekal. Free ball. A 1-2 play. That was good. Lastrolio was able to contribute.
Now, Aljon, we would like also to acknowledge our viewers sa FB Live. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Shout out kay Marniela Berido. Thank you so much for watching. Back to the ball game tayo, Aljon.
Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. It was rejected.
Now serving Moralina for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Free ball for the Greyhounds. What a dig by Ekal. And that was a lucky point with a little help of the net.
5 na ang lamang ng Greyhounds at this moment kontra Blue Stallions.
Serving. Blue Stallions. A regalo there. And a point to the Greyhounds. Ekal scratches the net.
Now serving Luna for Greyhounds. What a powerful serve.
Greyhounds just need 6 points. Or rather, 4 points in order to close this third set. And that was rejected. Back-to-back point for the Greyhounds.
At papalapit na naman Aljon ng Greyhounds para makuha nila ang set na ito.
They are feeling it, Kay. Their second win of the season. A float serve. What a nice float serve. Chance to counter for Greyhounds. A great dig by the libero. A 2 touches. A crucial error for the Blue Stallions.
Now serving Luna for Greyhounds. Nice serve.
Ekal. Quick. And it was rejected. Serving Fermante.
Nice serve.
A free ball for the Stallions. Ekal with the free ball. Chance to counter for UNC. A great dive, but it wasn't successful save. We are now at match point in favor of the Greyhounds.
Now serving Rico for Greyhounds.
A crucial service error for the Greyhounds. Serving Alarcon. Chance to counter for Blue Stallions. And that was straight to the net, and because of that, Greyhounds was able to win their second win in this Season 4 of Bucal Women's Volleyball. Congratulations, Greyhounds, for your upset against the Blue Stallions. Magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang best player of the game. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
All right, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Our best player of the game is brought to you by the Naga College Foundation, College of Arts and Sciences, from the UNC Greyhounds with 16 points, 10 receptions, and 14 digs. She is none other than jersey number 7, Alexis Moralina. So hello and congratulations, Alexis. how does it feel to be the best player of the game?
Siyempre po nakakakaba pero nag-enjoy lang ako kasi gusto ko lang talaga maglaro. Yun.
So talaga nga namang naging worth it lahat ng efforts ng iyong team, lalo na ng iyong sarili. So what is your advice sa iyong fellow student athletes who also dreams to become the best player of the game?
Huwag kayo magsawang mag-training ng training. Kung gusto nyo mag-improve, mag-training lang kayo at kaya nyo naman. Basta may tiwala kayo sa sarili nyo.
So and as the best player of the game, you have the floor to greet everyone you like to acknowledge.
Hi Mama, Papa, na nanonood sa live ngayon and sa ka-team ko. Wait lang, kinakabahan ako. Tapos sa mga nagsusupport sa UNC Women's Volleyball Team. Thank you at wag kayong magsawang mag-support sa amin. And
Ayan.
one more thing, ang goal po namin is champion, not first place. Thank you.
So there you have it. Congratulations and thank you, Alexis. Again, I am Marifel Fernandez, your courtside reporter from the UNC Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Kay.
Thank you so much, Mafel. And yan, congratulations ulit sa ating best player of the game, Alexis Moralina. Congratulations. At Aljon, ano yung mga record sa stats ni Moralina?
Again, congratulations for the both teams. You really showcase your skills in volleyball and also representing your team and your university or colleges. Congratulations, Alexis Molina. She had 16 points, 14 excellent digs, and 10 receptions. Very deserving of our best player of the game. Congratulations for the both teams. And before we end, I would like you guys to catch up the next game. It's the defending champion NCF Tigers will head-to-head against USI Falcons. And before we end, we would like also to thank our very own sponsors, the live viewers here at the Frazate USI Gym, and our online viewers. And this has been me, Aljon Pogoy, and with me,
Karen K. Escaro, and this is Women's Volleyball, only here at GNN TV 48 Naga,
Liga,
ng mga Kampiyon.